Paramount Plus app review, 2025 pros and cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how streaming apps have evolved in 2025. Paramount Plus promises original content, live television, and a massive library of movies, but is it really worth subscribing? The surprising truth is variety. Most people get this wrong by assuming streaming services only offer on-demand shows. Paramount Plus includes live sports, news channels, and exclusive originals alongside popular movies, making it a versatile entertainment hub. One major advantage is accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when you see the app supports multiple devices including smart TVs, phones, and gaming consoles. Features like offline downloads and personalized recommendations enhance the viewing experience. The app also offers flexible subscriptions. Plans vary by price and include options with or without ads, catering to different budgets and viewing preferences. Live content streaming and integration with Quibi's all-access shows are added benefits for long-term subscribers. However, there are cons. Some content may be restricted by region, and ad-supported plans can interrupt viewing. Compared to competitors, certain titles may be missing, and the interface occasionally experiences minor bugs on some devices. In conclusion, the Paramount Plus app in 2025 is ideal for viewers seeking a mix of live television, movies, and original content in one platform. While ads and regional limitations are factors, the combination of variety, accessibility, and flexible plans makes Paramount Plus a strong choice for diverse entertainment needs.